To disconnect the battery, you just want to flip the unit over and remove the screws from the bottom cover. Once all the screws are out, you can remove the bottom cover. And disconnect the battery from the motherboard. We disconnect the battery to prevent any shortages to the LCD or the motherboard. So now that the battery is disconnected, you can just take the battery out. Now you can grab your new battery and put it back. Now you can reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. And put the bottom cover back on. And then you can put the screws back into the bottom cover. To verify that the replacement was successful, you can take your AC and plug the unit in, and then open the unit up. If the unit turns on, that means the replacement was successful. And if you want to double check to make sure that your battery is working properly, you can unplug the unit, and if it stays on, then that means the battery is working. So then you can shut the unit off